In our test facility, we are able to do all of our tests ranging from our low voltage tests. These tests include voltage ratio, winding resistance, insulation resistance, power factor capacitance, all of our low voltage tests that determine whether or not the transformer is capable of moving on to our more high voltage tests. Our next tests range up to our more high voltage tests, which include our no load tests, load loss tests, and our extensive longer temperaturized tests that can last anywhere from 2-4 hours all the way to upward of 72 or even longer durations of time. After those tests, we have the full capability of doing our impulse test using our 5.2 megavolt impulse generator. These tests include our lightning impulse test and switching impulse test, which are standard for high voltage transformer testing. We have an AC resonant test system that allows us to test our applied voltage test, which then leads us into our induced test, which are able to measure PD values with a background value of PD of 1 to 3 picocoulombs. Our test control room is broken into different areas depending on what tests we're actually performing. At the very left-hand side of our control room, we have our station that is used for our applied voltage testing. Next to that, we move on through the temperaturized computer system. That is our main hub for all temperaturized tests. Then we move on to our loss measurement system. There we record measurements for no load and load loss. Here, this gentleman behind me is testing at is our control system for our power supply behind the building. This is where we get all of our power for the testing required for the transformer.